Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to create a Venn diagram in Google Slides. First, let's go to the insert menu, click shape, shapes, and I want to select a circle. And let's draw a perfect circle. You can press and hold the shift key on your keyboard to make sure that you're drawing a perfect circle. Something like that. And now let's remove the border because we don't need that. Click on this option that says border color and set it to be transparent. Now for the first circle, I'm going to set the color to be red. But of course, we want to make it slightly more transparent because we want to overlap it with another different color circle later. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the color menu again, and I want to add a new color. And here you want to set the transparency to be around this level. And after that, click OK. Now we have this transparent circle, and after that I'm going to just right click on it, copy, and you can right click anywhere and paste. We have two circles, but this one has to be on a different color. So let's change the color again, and I'm going to, let's say, select blue color, and of course we need something to be transparent. And there you go, we have two different colors, two different circles with different colors. Let's put it in the middle. I think it looks great. Now to finalize the design, we have to add some text. Go to the insert menu, text box, and let's draw something in here. It's going to be and I want to make the font to be in the middle. And let's make it slightly smaller. Then let's copy this text box. Let's paste it right here. It's going to be math source. Yeah, has to be in the middle. Okay, perfect. Now finally we can paste another text box. It's going to be tell me why. Let's put it in the middle, and yeah, there you go. So we just created a simple Venn diagram in Google Slides. I hope you find this video helpful.